1,000 Balinese people advance toward Dutch cannons. The Dutch commander orders them to stop. They charge. Ships appear on Bali's horizon, carrying priests, artists, and the kingdom with nowhere left to go. Two queens stand before a funeral pyre. They look at each other and smile. Then they step into the flames. These are just moments from one extraordinary story, the story of how Bali came to be. When I first arrived in Bali, I couldn't shake the feeling that this island was different. You probably felt it too. It felt like a place with 1,000 untold stories. Everywhere I looked, there were ceremonies, temples, offerings, and traditions like nothing I had ever seen before. And I kept asking myself one question. Why? Why is Bali like this, especially when the rest of Indonesia is so different? The more I searched, the more unbelievable the stories became. I was beginning to understand the island in a completely different level. Everyone visits Bali's beaches, its rice terraces, its temples, but very few know the extraordinary story behind all of these things. And so I decided to tell the story that I wish somebody had told me when I first arrived in Bali. A story that begins with the first humans to ever set foot on this island, and it ends with the Bali that we all know today. Not just to teach history, but to help you understand Bali in a completely different level. To create an experience that is something like watching a series that you cannot wait to finish dinner and go see. The result is the complete story of Bali, told across 28 short cinematic episodes of around 5 to 10 minutes each, filled with maps, cinematic visuals, unforgettable stories, all in one place. If you have ever visited Bali, if you're planning to visit in the future, or simply if you have fallen in love with this wonderful island, I would love to take you through its story. Because I truly believe that once you understand how it is that Bali came to be, you will never look at the island with the same eyes again. Whenever you're ready, I will see you in the first episode.